Hello, this is Lucy from Hebei Newangie company. We are a 16-year aesthetic manufacturer in China. Today, I will introduce our factory to you, and this is our history wall. And we are founded in 2008, and we have been developing. And this is our famous partners of the we are cooperating, and such as the focus light and the coherent and the mean well. And this is our certification wall. We get the FDA and the CE and also the ISO. And we always attend the international exhibitions such as the Italy and also the Vietnam and the Russia. Here is our showroom. We always do the machine demonstration and the training in here. This is our R&D department. It's very important. And now we have 20 R&D engineers, include the system designer and the case designer and the UI designer. This is our warehouse, and we always do the stock to guarantee the faster delivery. Our factory covers 4,000 square meters, and we have 10 product lines, and we also have 10 professional QC staffs, and also we provide the customized service for the distributors. Quality, innovation, and service are always our controls. And welcome to our factory. We are waiting for you.